390. Man's Creation and Dominion. Chalcedon Report number 430, May 2001. What was God's purpose in creating man? David answers this question, but much earlier God, in Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, tells us that it is dominion. And David, in Psalm 8 verses 6 following, restates this, saying, Thou madest him to have dominion over the works of thy hands. Thou hast put all things under his feet. What God and his word state so emphatically should be basic to the church's ministry, but it is not. In fact, one important observer has said that only Chalcedon holds to and teaches dominion theology. But David sees this dominion calling of man as a basic aspect of being crowned with glory and honour. Verse 5. The church, in the main, has lost its dominion mandate and calling. As a result, instead of being the source of the world's culture, the church is a shallow reflection of humanistic culture, man-centred and not God-centred. As Psalm 8 verse 2 makes clear, our calling and purpose should be to still the enemy and the avenger. God created man to exercise dominion and to subdue the earth under him. Genesis chapter 1 verse 26. When man fell into sin, God chose a people and commissioned them to this same task. Joshua chapter 1 verses 1 following. But Israel failed and was replaced by the church, which was commissioned to the same task. Matthew chapter 28 verses 19 and 20. The church now, instead of wanting victory and dominion in the face of tribulation, wants rather to be raptured out of it. Will not God give rather tribulation than rapture to such a people? Should they not tremble before God and change their ways? A strong people of God are told that the Lord even ordains strength out of the mouth of babes and sucklings, which still the enemy and the avenger. Psalm 8 verse 2. Now the mouths of famous preachers ordain weakness and retreat. The dominion God promises to his people is total. It applies to every sphere. The mark of God's being is absolute dominion, and this is his promise to his people. The Lord's Prayer is, in essence, a prayer for dominion. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Matthew chapter 6, verse 10. For most churchmen, the use of the Lord's Prayer is a vain repetition rather than marching orders. Too many churches need to pray, God have mercy on us, for we have neither prayed nor lived as we should. We must seek God's dominion over ourselves and our worlds with all our heart, mind, and being. We must recognize that no church is truly Bible-believing if it rejects God's dominion and our calling in Him to bring all things under His dominion, beginning with ourselves.